Question number 10. Find the equation of a straight line which has a slope minus 5/4 and passing through the point minus 1, 2. So here we have slope m is equal to minus 5/4 and the point is given point minus 1, 2. Okay, now taking this as x1, y1, and when slope and the point is given, we have to use y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So to find the equation when point and slope is given, y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So y minus y1, y1 is 2 is equal to m minus 5/4 x minus x1. Minus x1 is minus will become plus 1. Okay, now y minus 2 is equal to minus 5/4 into x minus 5/4x plus 1 into minus 5/4. So plus into minus minus 5/4. Okay, now multiply with 4. Y minus 2 is equal to minus 5/4 x minus 5/4. So removing 4, here in the next step we have 4 into y, 4y, 4 2s are 8 is equal to minus 5x minus 5. Okay, and in the next step take plus 5x minus 5x, while it comes here it becomes plus 5x minus 5, it become plus 5, and here plus 4y minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, taking all to the left side. Okay, now 5x plus 5 minus 8 and write plus 4y. So different signs, subtract 8 minus 5, 3. So 8 is greater, minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, therefore the equation of a straight line is 5x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, question number 11. You are downloading a song, the percent y in decimal form of megabytes. Remaining to get downloaded in x seconds is given by the equation y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. Now graph the equation. Sub-question 1, graph the equation. Equation y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. Okay, y x coordinates y is equal to 0 and y coordinates x is equal to 0. By using the equation y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. So while to find the value of x, y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1 and take minus 0.1x to the left side. So it becomes plus 0.1x is equal to 1. So now have x is equal to 1. Here it is in multiplication, while it goes here goes as division. So 0.1. And now we have decimal place 0.1. So both numerator and denominator is multiplied by 10. So therefore x is equal to 10. Okay, and now to find the value of y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. To find the value of y, x is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 0.1 x is equal to 0 plus 1. So if you multiply minus 0.1 into 0, it is 0. So therefore y is equal to 1. Now x comma 0. So x is 10 comma 0 and 0 comma y is equal to 1. So the points are 10 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Now plot the points in graph. Okay, now 10 comma 0. So x 10 comma 0. So 10 comma 0. And here 0 comma 1. The place x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. So 0 comma 1. Now join the point. Question number 2. Find the total MB of the song. Now here it is given as remaining to get downloaded in x seconds. So x in seconds and y in megabytes. Okay. Now find the total MB of the song. To find total MB of the song, we use y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. Now x seconds. So while downloading the song, the x will be in the starting position. So x is equal to starting position will be 0. Okay. Now let us substitute the value of x is equal to 0 in equation. Y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. So y is equal to minus 0.1 x. In the place of x, apply 0 plus 1. So into 0 is y is equal to 0 plus 1, 1. So y is equal to 1. So find the total MB of the song. Therefore, the total MB of the song is one. So 1 MB. Question number 3. When 75% of song gets downloaded, 25% remains. So remaining is 25%. So y is equal to 25%. So y is equal to 25%. So 25% 100. So therefore y is equal to 0.25. So if we divide 25 by 100, it is 0.25. Now substitute the value of 0.25 in the equation. Y is equal to minus 0.1 x plus 1. So y is equal to minus 0.1 x. So substitute the value of y 0.25. Okay, now take minus 0.1 to the left side. So 0.1 x is equal to plus 1 and 0.25 goes to the right side, minus 0.25. So subtract 1 minus 0.25. 1 is a whole number. So add 2 zeros, 0.25. Subtract. So 0 and 9. So it is 0.75. 0.1x is equal to 0.75. Have x alone in the left side, 0.75. Here 0.1 goes for division, 0.1. So here we have after decimal 2 places. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. Okay, in the next step, so 0.75 will be 75 and here 0.1. So it is 10. So 7.5. Therefore, x is equal to 7.5 seconds. So as x is in seconds, x is equal to 7.5 seconds. Question number 4. When song is downloaded completely, remaining percent is 0. When song come after downloading, the remaining percentage is 0. So y is equal to 0.1x. X is in seconds. So y is equal to minus 0.1x plus 1. So y is equal to 0. Remaining percentage is 0. So now substitute the value of y is equal to 0 in the equation. Minus 0.1 x plus 1. So y is equal to 0 minus 0.1x plus 1. Now take minus 0.1 to the left side. Minus will become plus 0.1 x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 divided by 0.1 into, after decimal we have one place, so both numerator and denominator is multiplied by 10. So x is equal to 1 into 10, 10, and 0.1 into 10 is 1. So x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10, as x is given in seconds, it is 10 seconds. Question number 12. Find the equation of a line whose intercepts on x-axis and y-axis are given below. Sub question 1, 4, minus 6. So take x-intercept A is equal to 4 and y-intercept B is equal to minus 6. Okay. To find the equation of a line, use x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. So now substitute the value of A and B in the equation. So write x divided by 4 plus y divided by B. So y by minus 6 is equal to 1. And here you can see, take LCM for 4 and 6. So x divided by 4 plus y divided by minus 6 is equal to 1. So multiply with minus 6 both to the numerator as well as denominator, and same here with 4. 6 into 4, 24. So minus 24 both to the numerator as well as denominator. Okay. Now this minus 6x plus 4y is equal to plus into minus minus 24. So removing minus 24 in the denominator, here we have minus 6x plus 4y minus 24. When it comes here, it becomes plus 24 is equal to 0. So here before x we have minus, so interchange the signs as plus 6x minus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. So all the terms are multiplied by 2. So divide by 2 so that we get the equation as 2 3s are 6, x minus 2 2s are 4, y 12 2s are 24. Therefore the equation is 3x minus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. And now let us move on to question number 2, minus 5, 3 by 4. X-intercept A is equal to minus 5 and y-intercept B is equal to 3 by 4. To find the equation of a line, right, the equation y-intercept is given x plus a, x divided by a, y by b is equal to 1. Now x divided by a minus 5 plus y divided by b, 3 by 4 is equal to 1. And now in the next step, numerator, denominator, so that the numerator, so numerator is multiplied to the numerator. So x minus 5 plus 4 into y, 4y divided by 3 is equal to 1. Now take LCM. Here multiply with 3 both with the numerator as well as denominator and multiply minus 5. Okay, and here into 5 3s are 15. Now 3 into x, 3x plus into minus 5 4s are 20, y is equal to minus 15. And in the next step, write 3x minus 20, y minus 15. When it goes to the left side, it becomes plus 15 is equal to 0. So therefore, the equation of the line is 3x minus 20y plus 15 is equal to 0. Question number 13. Find the intercepts made by the following lines on the coordinate axis. Sub-question 1. So 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. So write 3x minus 2y minus 6, when it comes to the right side it becomes plus 6. So as per formula, x plus a, x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. So to that condition, 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. To make 6 as 1, so divide all the terms by 6. Divide by 6 so that if we cancel we get 1. Okay. Now 6 divided by 6. Now here 3x by 6 minus 2y by 6 is equal to 6 divided by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 ones are 2 threes are 6 cancel 1. So now here we have 1x by 2 minus y divided by 3 is equal to 1. And as per formula, write x divided by 2 plus y divided by this minus goes for 3 is equal to 1. So therefore a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 3. So x intercept a is equal to 2 and y intercept b is equal to minus 3. And question number 2, 4x plus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So 4x plus 3y plus 12, when it goes to the right side it becomes minus 12. So if we divide by minus 12, here we will get 1. So as per x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. Okay, now 4x divided by minus 12 plus 3y divided by minus 12 is equal to minus 12 divided by minus 12. Okay, now 4 ones are 4 threes are 3 ones are 3 fours are 12 cancel 1. So now write x divided by minus 3 plus y divided by minus 4 is equal to 1. Okay, now x intercept a is equal to x intercept a is equal to minus 3 and y intercept b is equal to minus 4. Question number 14, find the equation of a straight line. In sub-question 1, passing through the point 1, minus 4 and has intercept which are given in ratio 2:5. So now let us take intercept of x intercept a is equal to 2a and y intercept b is equal to 5a. Okay, and now to find the equation of a line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So, and here it is given as passing through the point passing through the point 1, minus 4. Okay, now substitute the values x and y. So 1 divided by a is 2a plus y minus 4. So write here as minus 4 divided by b. b is 5a is equal to 1. Now take LCM. So multiply with 5 both to the numerator as well as denominator and here with 2. Okay, and now same here 1 into 5 twos are 10a. So 10a. Okay, now 5 ones are 5 minus 4 twos are 8 is equal to 10a. 5 minus 8 is minus 3, 8 is greater, so minus 3 is equal to 10a and have a alone on the right side. Minus 3, minus 10 goes for division. So therefore a is equal to minus 3 by 10. Now let us substitute the value of a minus 3 by 10. Okay, so x divided by 2a plus y divided by b, that is 5a is equal to 1. So x 2 in the place of a write minus 3 by 10 plus y divided by 5a, so a is minus 3 by 10 is equal to 1. Now 2 ones are 2, 5s are 5 ones are 5, 2s are. So x divided by minus 3 by 5 plus y divided by minus 3 by 2 is equal to 1. And in the next step, here numerator, denominator, and multiply the numerator with x. 5 into x, 5x divided by minus 3 plus y divided by 2, 2y by minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay? And in the next step, here to make the equation as terms is common, minus 3 plus 2y divided by minus 3 is equal to 1 into minus 3 into minus 3. Okay, now here 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. And the next step, 5x plus 2y minus 3, when it comes to the left side it becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of the straight line is 5x plus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Question number 14. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point minus 8, 4 and making equal intercepts on coordinates axis. Here, as it is given as making equal intercept, so x intercept is A is A and y intercept B is, as it is given as making equal intercept, so B is also A. Okay, now x by A plus y by A. So in the place of B we have to write A is equal to 1. Now passing through the points. So the points are points minus 8, 4. So taking this is x and y. So substitute minus 8 by A plus 4 by A is equal to 1. Now here minus A, to make this is common, 1 into A, taking this as LCM, A as LCM, minus 8 plus 4 is equal to 1 into A. So different sign, subtract 8 minus 4, 4 minus 4 is equal to A. So therefore A is equal to minus 4. Now substitute the value of A is equal to minus 4. The equation x divided by A plus y divided by A is equal to 1. Now A is minus 4 plus y minus 4 is equal to 1. Now here we have minus 4 as LCM, so multiply into 4, minus 4 into minus 4. Okay, so x plus y is equal to minus 4. Okay, and here x plus y minus 4, while it goes to the left side it becomes plus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore the equation of the straight line is x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. And now students, we have come to the end of this exercise. Practice all the sums. Thank you.